Hi, welcome back to Build to Fish. Today we're going to be doing a dry fit on a stand-up tuna blank, pretty big diameter. This is an EPDM material similar to EVA, a little bit softer, does stretch a lot nicer and easier, which you wouldn't get out of a cork or what have you, which you would normally have to ream. So we need to get ourselves a micrometer. I'm going to go ahead and measure this out. And this is almost a 1-inch diameter. The grips come in several different bore sizes. This one is a .875, and yeah, it's a little bit small for this particular rod, but like I said, it stretches, which makes it great. So we know this is going to fit in here somewhere. We got a butt cap, mushroom butt cap. Go ahead and mark that for our length for rear grip. Reel seat, mark that for that. And then we have a nice long foregrip for running on the rail or stand-up hand fishing or what have you. And we're going to go ahead and mark that. Okay, so we have our marks. I like to rough up where the product's going to be glued and just take a heavy grit sandpaper all the way down. You don't have to peel this decal off. It's not going to show, and it'll glue fine. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give her a wipe. Isopropyl alcohol, 91% is fine. Won't hurt the blank finish, won't hurt your hands. I don't personally recommend acetones, although lots of rod builders use it. Probably not the greatest for your hands. And could soften the finish on the blank if it's not set correctly anyways. Knowing we can't technically dry fit all this stuff and get it seated snug, we get the closest size inside diameter to the blank. Like I said, 875, just over 900 on the butt. We know where this blank's going to be, or this grip's going to be here. You want to make sure that it's going to be snug there too. So you can mic that, 875, 875, so you won't have slop. And where your reel seat's going to go, we're going to tape arbor. So we'll go ahead and mark here. And again, we're going to micrometer up here. Make sure she's at 0. That's at 710. This is going to be at 675, this bore. So we'll know we're going to be snug here. 875 would be too loose. This is the right size. And then down here it's going to be fine, it's going to be big, but this will stretch if you do everything properly. This is an ALPS Centralock reel seat. I believe this is a CAH 23 millimeter. Not many companies offer a 23 millimeter. It's either a 22 too tight or 24 too big. And we're just going to cover some of the nuts just in case we get really sloppy with this glue. That's your dry fit setup. It's going to look like this. Basically, all your parts together. You could have a gimbal if you want to, rubber gimbal will be on this end. I prefer the butt cap for rail fishing, and it'll be on that end down on the butt there. There's dry fit, EPDM straight grip. Watch us on Build to Fish for more social media videos.